Basically, they are from background.
Sericulture, sir. MSc Sericulture.
Textile means the expression will be different. Basically, you have seen that other part of reading and this is the wet flossing. Actually, the final touch of the silk is the post-processing technology. First, whatever this seen weaving, flossing, and other things, we do this flossing. There are mainly three things are taken place before. One is degumming, then bleaching, dyeing, and printing. Okay. Whatever you have seen that silk there, no, it is in the raw stage. Okay. If you don't remove the tericin, I mean, come from this, you cannot color it like this. So that process is called degumming. Then next is the bleaching. So to give a full whiteness yarn. Then silk can be dyed with different class of dyes as where I believe. Like acidics, then the complex grade. Then when it comes to printing, there are different styles of printing software. One is the printing direct style and resist style. That means direct style means you can use a screen or glass, anything to print on the material. Then resist style means you are restricting the color to be entered in the particular portion. Something you see, whatever you see here is called tie and dye. Pochampalli Mata words is a tie and dye. Wherever the color we don't want, we keep tying it. It keeps the expertise or knowledge to tie the design, whatever it may be. So wherever you tie, the color will not be taken away. This fabric. And when normally the color goes from lighter to the darker shade. This is screen printing. And we have used some of the things using by natural dyes also, like meat, and then kakashi, then turmeric, and eucalyptus extraction, pomegranate, something like that. But the recent update with us is sericin powder extraction. So you have heard of sericin powder?
No.
And this is the powder which is here. See, this powder we are extracting without using any chemical. That's under the method of STHP, that's high temperature, high pressure. We subject to the temperature of 120 or 130. Then we get the gel, and yield is around 18 to 20%. And the application of this powder is in different fields, like cosmetics, your medical field. We have made suture thread out of it. And it is now under the experiment in collaboration with the CFTR, Central Technological Research Institute in Mysore. And this is the powder which is mixed with your bread, cookies, and we have made even this. Not only electricity, we have made that soup. Even we have made soup powder out of this. Okay. This process is, of course, the method and different. This one, and there are some. Next comes the finishing of silk. Finishing of silk, there are two types. One is a chemical finish, other one is a mechanical finish. Like whenever you wear a saree, suppose you go to any function, so suppose anything falls on it, it should not be observed. So we make them waterproof, stain-proof, stain-works and all. Mechanical finish means whatever the color is done, it should be given a finish, like a calendar. That is not just that you are pressing. Once you wash your cloth, now you will be pressing it. Something like that. That is called calendering or decodizing. And there are some machineries where you can see this all in the laboratory level. And as far as this processing is concerned.
Thank you, sir.
Anything more to see? Process. Whatever you see, it is in the lab level only. But as I said, it can be dyed with different class of like acid base, reactive base, and reactive base. The reactive base, there are two types. One is cold brand and hot brand. I am not getting into depth because they are textile background. So just outline and And there is in jelly tea. This is the sericin. We get we make the powder out of it. Powder goes in. Packet goes in. No, yeah, we are doing different part, that is the dialysis. Okay. That's just like the gum, whatever you see here. We are doing with the different this one. And of course the powder will be powder will be made like this.
Yes, sir.
As I said, the application of sericin powder in the different field like cosmetics and medical, and even in they are trying to do some with food cover. That's the top of what we use for cut of for exactly sericin powder. Your there is the water bath. Kept out here. In the industry, you'll see like this. The big one. It will be larger scale. And the model what we have. That is the open bath. Even the small fabrics are yarn. For our experimental purpose, we use this. And those are all the machineries where we use. Yeah, when it comes to the finishing, see, majority of the finishing is tar and dry. Well, I'm answering your question. Any majority of the finishing, when it comes to the finishing, chemical finishing, it will be tar and dry. Pad means we are using the padding angle. We just dip that fabric in the solution and we pass it through the padding angle where it is uniform squeezing. Then it will be cured with the using the curing method. At higher temperature for a shorter period where your fixation of your any piece taken place.
Fixation of color it is.
And other one what we have infrared color sample dyeing machine. Where actually here what we use it for this one is, here in the open of what happens, it may not be equal temperature at all. We are unable to maintain because suppose we are doing one particular experiment and we want to maintain the 90 degree for all the 6 spots. It may be a problem or it may because manually it's hang. So whereas in this case we have a temperature sensor here. Once we fix this temperature sensor to the one bar, like in the beaker here, all the 10 will have the same temperature.
Okay.
So that it is easy to analyze the film.
So uniform dyeing is also possible.
Yeah, uniform dyeing will take time.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ತಗೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲೈತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಕು 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 That's a different experiment is going on. That is actually అదేమంటే రీసైకిల్డ్ సిల్క్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సిల్క్ అన్నీ ఉంటుంది కదా చీరలు అంతా, విల్ టేక్ ద ఓల్డ్ శారీస్ అండ్ వి జస్ట్ అగైన్ మేక్ ఇట్ రీసైక్లింగ్, మేక్ ఇట్ సిల్క్ పౌడర్.
ఓకే సార్.
సిల్క్ పౌడర్ చేసి దాంట్లో ప్రింటింగ్ చేసి ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. వీ జస్ట్ పట్ binder. Over a binder, we'll just fix the recycled powder. See, in printing process, what happens is actually basically first what we have to do, we have to decide the design which has to be printed. Okay. As I said in the direct style, there are two types. One is the screen printing, other one is the black printing. This is the screen. Okay. See here, whatever you see the screen, this is the design. Okay, this white portion, whatever you see, this will be your design. When you prepare a print paste and or a fabric, when you use it, when you squeeze it. See, this is squeezing. We'll put a print paste like this and just squeeze like this by pressing. And whatever the print paste is here, that will be transferred to the fabric.
Yes, sir.
Then it has to be dried. Immediately you should not wash. Again you have to steam it. That is called aging. It's a. Once you steam, then only color will be fixation taken place. Then it will be washed. Then it is subjected to any mechanical or chemical finish.
So drying is how to dry the that is.
Here madam, actually we dry here. But when you go to industry, you will find a wax table. Wax table, you will find a wax table. There where stretching of fabric will be taken place, and they have a steam pipes. Once the printing is over, they will allow the steam to pass through that pipe, where that sarees or whatever it may be, or fabric, it will get dried. Then next day it will be taken for the steaming or
Some
aging.
places where we have to put them oven. That is heat oven is also there at the bottom.
No, oven you don't put. Naturally it will be dried openly or through steam. If you put it in oven, it is not there. That is steaming, you are talking about steaming.
That means the heaters which is in the low temperature heaters.
Yeah, it's around 60 to 70 degree, not more than that.
Yeah.
See, because that will be the liquid form, and whatever suppose if you are given more heat, that paste will maybe get dissolved and viscosity comes down, it may flow. There are chances. So that they maintain around 60. So that it will be dried in the 60, or else it will be dried in the room temperature itself. Then it is taken for the steaming. Once the steaming is done, color fixation will take place. After that they will wash and again dry.
Here you have to use the paste that is dyes is in the form of paste. Or
Yeah, it should be in the form of paste only. You want me to talk it? Either you can use acid dyes, metal complex, or reactives.
So which is
But
better?
majority of your silk is printed with acid dyes. 90%. Because affinity towards the silk, easy application. Mainly. Of course, comparing to your metal complex and reactive dyes, the fastness of properties of the yours dyed or printed fabric is poor with acid dyes comparing to your metal complex and reactive dyes. And see, the silk, the moment when you use the word silk, what it gets into your mind? Shining, lustrous. So you need that. That we have in the acid dyes.
If you use the other dyes,
And even application of direct dye is very easy. Just take the material, weigh it. We have a recipe. Dye depends on the percentage. Either you want to darker shade or lighter shade, whatever it may be. Then we use Glaber salt and acetic acid. Finished. We start with, we'll make a the dye powder, and we take, as per our calculation, we take the water, we dissolve the dye powder in that. Then we add Glaber salt, 10% on the weight of the material. First, then pre-soaked material will be entered to the dye bath, then work for 10 minutes, then the material is taken out. Again we put the acetic acid, again we continue the dyeing, then we gradually raise the temperature to around 85 to 90 degree temperature. We work for half an hour to 45 minutes. It has taken out, washed, and again it is given a scraping process. This is how the acid dye takes place.
sir, hand printing blocks are also there.
Yeah, barrel. Blocks are there. And discharge style, what happens actually, that I was talking about direct style. In the discharge style, chick kursa. These are the blocks. First you should decide the design to be printed over it. Okay. Then it is carved on this. This is block and all, now it is outdated now. Nobody.
Sir, we are listening.
Yeah.
We are listening, sir.
The print paste is prepared. Then with the print paste, whatever the fabric is stretched, it needs skill. Okay. then it has to put it on the gunny bag or anything like that so that print waste will be spread properly. It is taken the print waste like this and more keeping the fabric just bit like this. If you
So
taken
the
that,
printing should be done on white cloth or maybe on the.
even colored cloth also can be done. Depends. It depends. You, the majority of the
Customers.
block printing will be taken on the white base only. That is, colored means that fabric should be colored with a light color. Then your print will be darker color. Then only it can. You have a black print sample here. Designer.
Sir, for tie and dye, you will make a knot in some places and after that it will fabric. By the end of the time, again you can remove that knots.
Has to be. That needs a skill. See, if you get that design, particular design, you will do somewhere. Tie and dye sample. Then what happens? It needs a skill. Suppose Barney design, but I heard about it in the Rajasthan Barney design. They like pearls. What they do is they put the pearl and they will tie it over the fabric. So, but normally tie and dye what happens is the color goes lighter to the darker. So to get this design, one should need an idea. Where to go?
Bandhani and body. Difference between bandhani and body.
Batik is a different. Batik is where you use the gum. Wax you are using. By wax you will be drawing the design, and so once you draw the design, you will be applying the wax over it, where the knife is not taken place. Then you will be dyeing it. Then the it is taken out. That wax is removed. Okay. That is the batik printing. It is a tie and dye. It's almost same.
But the material used for the image
Different. That's there you are using the wax, where you are using the thread here to the tie the portion where the color should not go there. This is any number of colors you can do it. You can see here 3-4 colors. Okay. And with this you see.
So as per the interest of customer.
As per the interest, one should have a design art background of it. So it's a creativity. Somebody may not be having the creativity, means they do something like that. Even sometimes whatever they work done, it gets
Creative.
okay. This is all the thing. And in the whereas in case of discharge sale, what happens? Discharge majority of your fabrics are printed with the discharge style. That means first what we have to do is first we have to dye the ground color by using the dischargeable color, not the ordinary. Then there are two types. One is a white discharge, the other one is a color discharge. Okay. By using reducing agent, like in the silk we use zinc sulfide.
So there is an reducing.
It's or angolite in case of cotton. Okay. By using that chemical, we will remove the ground color. We remove the ground color, and whatever the color is removed on the fabric as per the design, that will be your color is discharge. Suppose in case of you want color discharge, you will be using the color, that's all, nothing else.
కలర్ ఎక్కడైతే డిజైన్ చేయాలో ఆ ప్లేస్ మాత్రం వైట్ కలర్ పక్కన వేస్తాము వేరే దానిపై డిజైన్ చేస్తాం ఎందుకంటే